Hello there guys and good morning. It is Shane here at the My Leisure Home channel. Very happy to introduce to you this stunning Willerby Sierra. This is a 2018 2-bedroom holiday home. It will be sited with this full wraparound decking refitted, and it's going to actually have skirting all the way around as well, and it's going to be sited on Croft Lakes Country Park, which is a 12-month holiday park just on the outskirts of Skegness, with site fees of just $2,700 for the full 12-month holiday season. The price is going to be $34,997, and that includes the rest of this year's site fees. We'll go have a look around this one now. Okay, so as you can see, this stunning 2018 Willerby Sierra has the large bay windows at the front. The decking here is 8 foot at the front, and it goes to the steps and the 4-foot walkway to the door passage just there. As I say, this decking is going to be refitted on Croft Lakes, but it will actually, all around the bottom, it will have skirting all the way around, and this decking refitted, all within the cost. Okay, again, like I say, Croft Lakes is a 12-month holiday park with site fees of just $2,700. It's also going to be on a south-facing plot on the park as well. What I'll probably do is at the end of this video, I'll just cut to a little walk around of the plot that this one will be going on to. So as we come into the Willerby Sierra, then you come into the vinyl flooring, which is this lovely grey tiled effect. On the left hand side just here, you've got a 4-seater dining room table. On the right hand side then, you've got your boiler cupboard just here, and then your 70-30 split fridge freezers as well. And then you come into your U-shaped kitchen. So this kitchen has absolutely everything you need. You've got loads of storage down here at the bottom. You've got a 4-hob gas cooker with your oven and grill just below. A stainless steel extractor with your light in there as well. Stainless steel sink with your window just above, pulling in all that natural light. And then just here then you've got your integrated microwave. As we come into the living room then, you come onto this lovely plush carpet, and you've got this huge fitted sofa just here. The L-shaped sofa also has a pull-out bed, and you have a footstool which also has storage underneath there as well. As you can see, these bay windows, okay, really do let you get a cracking view of the exterior and the outside of the park. And then, as always, with your television, you can either put it on the unit in the corner, or you can wall mount it above that stunning electric fire just there. I've got the flame effect on for you this morning, just to show you obviously how the fire looks. So that, guys, that's the front end of the holiday home. We're now going to go through to the master bedroom and have a look at all the benefits and features of the holiday home this side. So as we come down the hallway then, nearly missed these, but they've got some coat hangers just at the start of the hallway. Full size bed just here. It's also an ottoman bed, so you do have underbed storage. Overhead storage just here as well. Reading lights with plug sockets and USBs either side of the bed. Just over here you've got your vanity table with your mirror just above and your plug socket just there. Over this side even more storage, so you've got drawers here. Also a place to put a television, so you've got an aerial point there as well. This built-in wardrobe, so loads and loads of storage again. And then the all-important ensuite bathroom. Lots of room in here as well. In this Willerby Sierra, they really did use the space well. As we go through to the guest bedroom then. So you come into here. Okay, so you've got your 2 single beds. There's actually some additional drawers just underneath for some more storage. Plug socket with USB in the middle. Overhead storage, again with that lovely backdrop with the headboards. And then you've got your wardrobe just here. And then you've got your mirror just here as well. We'll now have a look at the master bathroom then. So this has a huge end shower, just here as you see. Cabinet just here, with your sink below. Toilet over here, more storage, and shelving just there. So again guys, this is a 2018 2-bedroom Willerby Sierra. Okay, priced at $34,997, sited on Croft Lakes Country Park. The price, does include the rest of this year's site fees, the siting of the holiday home, the decking refit, and the skirting put on the decking as well, on a stunning south-facing plot. So for any more information, contact Shane at myleisureHome.co.uk, or call me on 01754 252 889. Thanks for watching. So as I said in the video, the Willerby Sierra, the 2018 model with the full wrap decking and skirting, will be situ on this plot just here. You can see just how much room there is around you, and it is a south facing plot, so it's getting all the sun at the minute. Got this large area at the side, huge area at the front, and a double car parking space that Tony's just stood on now. And then as we go over here, then we'll have a look at the fishing lake, which is free for all owners. And you've got the view of the lake from your decking as well. But this is the fishing lake. So as I say, it's 34,997 with all the site fees included for this year. Okay, and it's going to be sited within the next 2 weeks. Thanks for watching, guys.